Hey there, math whizzes! Welcome back to Kids Learning Loop, where learning is always fun. Do you ever get stuck when subtracting big numbers? Have you ever tried to take away a number and, oops, the top digit is smaller than the bottom one? Well, don't worry. Today, we're going to crack the code of subtraction with regrouping. And guess what? It's not scary at all. It's actually super fun. So grab your pencils because we're going on a math adventure. All right, let's start with a simple example. 52 minus 38 equals. Let's line up our numbers. The number 52 has 5 groups of 10 and 2 groups of 1. 38 has 3 groups of 10 and 8 groups of 1. We always subtract starting from the ones place. But wait, can we do 2 minus 8? We can't. 2 is smaller than 8. That's where taking comes in. Let's take 1 10 from the 5 in the tens place. Now, instead of 5 tens, we have 4 tens. And we give that extra 10 to the 2 in the ones place. What does 2 plus 10 equal? That's right, 12. Now, let's try again. 12 minus 8, that's 4, and 4 minus 3. That is equal to 1. So, 52 minus 38 equals 14. See, that wasn't so bad. Let's solve this one together. 73 minus 46 equals. Step 1. Line up your numbers under their correct place value. The number 73 has 7 groups of 10s and 3 groups of 1. We place the 7 under the 10s column and the 3 under the 1s column. The number 46 has 4 groups of 10s and 6 groups of 1s. We place the 4 under the 10s column and the 6 under the 1s column. Step 2. Start in the 1s place. Can we do 3 minus 6? No, we can't. So we take from the 10s place. Step 3. Take 1 10 from the 7 in the 10s place, leaving 6, and give that 1 10 to the 3 in the 1s place. Now we have 13 in the 1s place. Step 4. Now subtract. 13 minus 6 equals. That's right, it leaves 7. 6 minus 4 equals 2. That's right, 2. So, 73 minus 46 equals 27. Great job! Did you know we use subtraction with regrouping all the time in real life? Imagine you have 52 stickers and you want to give 38 to your friends. You need to take from the tens place to figure out how many you have left. Or what if you're at a store and something costs $73, but you only have a $100 bill? The cashier has to use subtraction with regrouping to give you the right change. So, this isn't just schoolwork. It's a superpower for everyday life. It's challenge time. Try solving these problems on your own. Pause the video, solve them, and then press play to check your answers. 81 minus 57 equals. 62 minus 28 equals. 90 minus 64 equals. Let's check the answers. 81 minus 57 equals 24. 62 minus 28 equals 34. 90 minus 64 equals 26. Did you get them all correct? Amazing. Wow, you all did amazing today. Subtraction with regrouping isn't scary at all when you know how to take from the next column. If you had fun learning today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a fun math lesson. And remember, math isn't hard, it's just a puzzle waiting to be solved. See you next time. Bye-bye.